Welcome to Day 2 of our Master Affiliate Profits Review course. Today, we delve into the heart of affiliate marketing, uncovering its fundamentals and the transformative potential it holds for anyone aspiring to thrive in the digital marketplace. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the essentials of affiliate marketing and, in a moment, I'm going to share with you a way that you can learn everything you need to know to succeed as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is not just a journey. It's an exciting adventure into the world of digital entrepreneurship. A partnership where you get to promote products or services and earn commissions for every sale or lead generated through your dedicated efforts. It's a dynamic interplay of connecting the right products with the right people. It's about tapping into the pulse of your audience, understanding their desires and needs, and presenting them with solutions that resonate deeply with their lives. What truly makes affiliate marketing a captivating venture is its unparalleled accessibility and scalability. It opens doors for everyone, from budding entrepreneurs to seasoned bloggers, and to those simply looking to add another revenue stream to their portfolio. In the realm of affiliate marketing, your creativity, your unique insights, and your passion are directly converted into potential earnings. It's a realm where each effort you put in can grow and multiply in terms of revenue. The essence of this journey lies in selecting the right affiliate products or services. It's a strategic decision, where alignment with your personal brand, your niche, and the interests of your audience is key. Master Affiliate Profits is the done-for-you, free-to-join, free traffic affiliate platform that you've been looking for. This alignment ensures that when you speak about a product or service, your words carry weight, authenticity, and trust. But beyond just choosing the right products, affiliate marketing is about creating content that captivates. Whether you're crafting engaging blog posts, creating compelling videos, utilizing the power of social media, or sending out persuasive email campaigns, every piece of content is an opportunity to inform, engage, and convert your audience. It's about telling a story that your audience wants to be a part of, a narrative where the products or services you promote become solutions to their problems or gateways to their aspirations. Yet, the beauty of affiliate marketing, especially within the Master Affiliate Profits program, is that it's designed to take the heavy lifting off your shoulders. For beginners and experienced marketers alike, Master Affiliate Profits provides a comprehensive platform that does much of the hard, tedious work for you. From optimizing your traffic to crafting professional-grade marketing materials, the platform is engineered to make your affiliate marketing journey smoother and more efficient. Moreover, Master Affiliate Profits is uniquely positioned to help anyone earn life-changing income. Its system is not just about making one-time sales, it's about creating streams of residual income. With Master Affiliate Profits, the work you do today can continue to pay off for months, even years, down the line. It's about building a sustainable business model where your initial efforts are multiplied and your income grows over time. This program is for anyone who dreams of financial independence, for those who seek to turn their online efforts into a substantial and steady income stream. Whether you're just starting out in the world of digital marketing or you're a seasoned affiliate looking to scale your business, Master Affiliate Profits offers the tools, resources, and support you need to succeed and achieve remarkable earnings. So, as you step into the world of affiliate marketing with Master Affiliate Profits, remember, you're embarking on a journey that's as rewarding as it is exciting. It's a path that leads to financial freedom, creative fulfillment, and the potential to transform your life. Now, as we explore these foundational elements of affiliate marketing, let's also look at how Master Affiliate Profits uniquely positions you for success in this dynamic field. Master Affiliate Profits isn't just about providing you with the tools and knowledge for affiliate marketing. It's about enhancing every aspect of your affiliate journey. The platform, engineered by esteemed super affiliates John Thornhill and Omar and Melinda Martin, is designed to convert your directed traffic into buyers. It's a system where your affiliate marketing efforts are not just supported but amplified. When you direct traffic to the Master Affiliate Profits site, you're not just leading them to a product page. You're introducing them to a meticulously crafted journey. The site is optimized to ensure that your leads are effectively nurtured through professionally written emails, comprehensive course materials, and compelling graphics, all designed to guide your customers towards making a purchase or enrolling in a paid subscription. As a reminder, don't forget about the clue in the email that directed you to today's lesson. These clues are part of a larger picture, one that adds even more value to your journey with us. And keep an eye out for tomorrow's email, which will contain a new clue and further insights into mastering affiliate marketing. The path to becoming a successful affiliate marketer is clear and accessible with Master Affiliate Profits. By clicking the Join MAP button below, you claim your free membership and gain immediate access to the myriad benefits of the Master Affiliate Profits Review platform. You'll also enjoy the additional advantage of Master Affiliate Profits Review benefits at no extra cost. So, take this step, join us in Master Affiliate Profits, and begin your journey to affiliate marketing success. Remember, it's not just about learning. It's about transforming your potential into real, measurable achievements. Click the link, join for free, and let's embark on this journey together. Thank you for watching Day 2 of our training. Your path to success in affiliate marketing is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We can't wait to see you in the next lesson and in the members area of Master Affiliate Profits.